Hi, my name is Jeff Cooper, and I've had the great pleasure of serving on the board of the BMI for 5 years. As the CEO of Len the Plumber, a business that has deep roots in Baltimore, I appreciate the important role that the museum plays in preserving Baltimore's unique industrial history. Len the Plumber is proud to serve as the host sponsor for the BMI's 2021 Bull and Oyster Roast. Not only is it one of my favorite events of the year, but I also love knowing that Len the Plumber's sponsorship directly supports the BMI's award-winning educational programs. The museum needs our help, especially this year, to keep kids learning through its innovative educational resources like City Kits that provide students with hands-on activities drawn from the BMI's Kids Cannery and Lights On field trip experiences. Thanks to the support of many individuals, local businesses, and foundations, the BMI has provided nearly 1,500 kits for free to Baltimore City students, and the museum has heard from many more teachers who are interested in providing them for their classes. Please join me in participating in this year's Bull and Oyster Roast and making a donation to the BMI to support these important programs. And I look forward to seeing you on March 6th. Thank you.